Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve a particular problem related to the existence of limit of a functions. Let's write the question first. Here the question is uh, here the question is so that a function, here the limit of a function x over greatest integer of x when x approaches to number 2, so that we have to show that the limit of these functions does not exist, where the here the this symbol, the x inside the square bracket denotes the greatest integer function. Let's shortly write it gif. Gif means greatest integer function. X inside the square bracket represents the greatest integer function of x, greatest integer function of x. Here this question is totally related with the greatest integer functions and the existence condition of the limit also. So let's revise the methods for calculating the greatest integer functions of a number. First of all, let's discuss about the greatest integer function GIF. The greatest integer functions of x, GIF of x, it is represented by putting this x inside the square bracket. This is the notation for greatest integer functions. Let's calculate the greatest integer functions of some numbers. Here the x represents, x is taken from the set of the real number. X belongs in the real number. Let's take the some numbers, greatest integer functions. Let's do some examples of 2.1. Here we are going to calculate the greatest integer function, greatest integer of 2.1. Let's visualize this number 2.1 on the number line. Let's make a number line here. Let's suppose here is 0, here is 1, and here is 2. This is our supposition. And the number 2.1, let's see, here is 3. And the number 2.1 lies anywhere between the 2 and 3. Let's suppose here is a number 2.1 lies. Let's suppose this point represents the number 2.1, and here the greatest integer of this 2.1 is just the value neighborhood value of this number, and the value should be the integers. Here the integers very close to this number 2.1, and that integer should be located on the left hand side, and the left hand nearest integer is here. The left hand nearest integer is just 2. Then we have to move, we have to observe on the left hand part only. Please memorize this method for calculating the greatest integer function. We have to search on the left hand side, and the closest integer to the left hand side is here 2. So the greatest integer of 2.1 is here just the integer 2. The answer should be the integer. Here the method is, first of all, locating the point and then looking to the left and finding the nearest integer value. Similarly, let's calculate the greatest integer of, let's say, the 1.6. Greatest integer of 1.6. Let's make a, we can use this number line for this problem also. Here the 1.6, the number 1.6 lies between anywhere between 1 and 2. Let's suppose here is a number 1 and 2, and the left hand side integer to this number, the left hand side integers to this number is here just 1. The integers should be located on the left hand side of this number. Here the nearest integers on the left hand side of this number is here 1. So the greatest integer function, greatest integer value of this 1.6 is 1. We have to look on the left hand part, just rising and then looking back. Let's calculate the greatest integer functions of 0.6. For the 0.6, it lies anywhere between 0 and the 6. Here let's suppose here is the point, and we rise and then looking back. We rise and we looking back, and the nearest integer value is here 0. So the greatest integer of this number is calculated as a 0. This is the method for calculating the greatest integer. Let's take the negative number, the greatest integer of negative 2.1. Let's plot this number, visualize this number on the number line first. Let's suppose here is 0, 1, this 2, this is negative 1, this is negative 2. Here, and let's extend this number line also, and this is here negative 3. Here we make a number line, just a number line, and let's locate this point. Negative 2.1 lies between negative 3 and negative 2, anywhere between this. Let's suppose here is a number, and then rising and looking left. If we rise and look to the left, we got a integer value negative 3. We have to search on the left hand side in all the cases. So we rise and then look back or look left hand side, and we observe an integer value negative 3 nearest to this number. So the greatest integer of negative 2.1 is just negative 3. Here we calculate from the, let's do more examples. Greatest integers of, let's take negative 2. Here the negative 2 lies here, exactly is negative 2, and the nearest left hand, the nearest value, integer value to this number is just itself negative 2. And then remember the point, the greatest integers of the integer number, the greatest integer of the integer number is itself. Let's calculate the greatest integer of 2 also. The greatest integer of 2, here the 2 is an integer. The greatest integer of an integer is the number itself. So 2. Here this is the value. Similarly, the greatest integers of, let's take the 0 integer. The greatest, here is the 0 is the integer. It is an integer. So the greatest integer of the 0 integer, greatest integer of the 0 is the number itself 0. It is the way for calculating the greatest integers of any functions, of any number. And remember the point, while calculating the greatest integer of any number, if the number is integer, then the greatest integers of that number is the number itself. And the number, if the number is other than integer, then this is the way of calculating the greatest integers of that number. Let's do more about the greatest integers. The greatest integers of negative 1.7. Let's calculate the greatest integers of negative 1.7 from this number line. The negative 1.7 lies anywhere between the negative 1 and negative 2. Let's suppose the number lies here, and we have to rise first, then look left. Here we rise and then observe, we here we rise and look back or look left, and here we got a very closer integers as a negative 2. Negative 2 is the nearest integer value to this number. We have to look on the left hand side, and similarly the greatest integers of, let's suppose the number 2.6. 2.6 lies anywhere between the 2 and 3. Let's suppose the number lies here 2.6, and we have to rise first, then look left hand side. We rise and look the left hand side, and here we got an integer value as a 2. This is the greatest integer of 2.6. This is the way of calculating the greatest integer of any real number. We can evaluate the greatest integers of any real number. Let's move to the point, move to our questions. Our question is, in our questions the given function is, we have to show that this function does not have the limiting value when the x approaches to 2. Here the f of x is given, f of x is given here, x over the greatest integer of x, and we are going to evaluate the limit of these functions when x approaches to 2. First of all, let's calculate the left hand limit. The left hand limit, shortly denoted by LHL, left hand limit, it is defined limit of that function f of x when x approaches to the same number. Here the approaching point is 2, but in the left hand side limit we have to approach this number 2 from left hand side, so we put here the negative sign on the top of the number. Let's calculate. Here the limit of the function is here x over the greatest integers of x, and here the x approaches to 2 from left. Let's calculate the greatest integers functions of this x, and here let's make a number line here. Here the x approaches to 2, x approaches to 2 from left. Let's make the number line here. This is 0, 1, 2, and let's say this is 3, and so on. Here the values of the x are very closer to 2. The values of the x are very closer to the number 2 from left hand side. Let's take the number here. Let's take the number here. The number should be very closer to the number 2 from the left hand side. Let's, here we suppose that number lies anywhere between 1 and 2, and we have to, for calculating the greatest integer functions of that number which are very closest to number 2, and they are located on the left hand side, and for calculating the greatest integer functions, that's the number, that number, here we suppose that number, we have to first rise and then look back, look back, look left hand side. Here the nearest integer value is 1. The nearest integer value is 1, so the greatest integers of the number x, greatest integers of number x is here calculated as a 1, number 1. Nearest integer value is number 1, 1 when x approaches to number this 2 from left hand side. Here we take all the values of x such that they are less than, just less than number 2. So here we calculate the greatest integers function of that number x when x approaches to 2 from the left hand side, and the value is, the greatest integer value is 1 here. So let's substitute the value. Here the limit x approaches to 2 from left, x over, and the value of the greatest integer of x is here calculated as a 1, and here the limit x approaches to 2, just x, and this is for the calculation of the limit we have to first plug in the values. Here the just plug in the value 2, and which is defined number, so the limiting value is 2. Here we calculate the left hand limit of that function as a 2. This is the limiting value of the left hand limit of that function. Similarly, we can evaluate the right hand limit. Similarly, I am going to calculate the right hand limit of that functions directly. It is the limit of that functions, and the function is here x over greatest integer of x, but x approaches to number 2 from right hand side, and this can be written. We have to take the values of the x, the values of x which are very closer to the number 2 from right hand side. Let's suppose these values located here. The value of the x should be just greater than 2, and let's suppose here are the numbers. And for calculating its greatest integer of that number x, we have to first rise and look back. We rise and look back, and we got here the number integer number is a 2. So the greatest integers of the x is here. Here the nearest integer value is 2. It is 2, and the condition is when we approach this 2, we take all the values of the x just greater than 2. We approach this number 2 from right hand side. Therefore, this can be written, the limiting value, limit x approaches to 2 plus here the x over the greatest integer of this x is calculated here as a number 2 when we approaches from right hand side, and this can be further simplified. This can be further simplified as just calculating the value. If we put the value of the x is a 2, then 2 over 2 gives 1. Here we calculate the right hand limit. Therefore, the right hand limit of that function is numerically 1. Here we calculate both the left hand limit and the right hand limit of the given functions, and here we observe we got here the left hand limit is a 2, but the right hand limit is 1. Here the left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit, so the given function, this given functions, the limit of this given functions at x approaches to 2 does not exist. So we can conclude that the limit of f of x does not exist at the given point. Here we solve this particular problem, which is related to the greatest integer function and greatest integer functions, as well as the existence of limit of a function. In our next video, we will discuss more about the limit calculations of functions, of different functions. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.